Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class of Moral Science, class 2. Now I am going to teach chapter of Moral Science, which title is the perfect record. Let us go on this chapter. Everyone know that Rebecca was the best speller in the whole class. She could spell even the weak words and always got the highest marks. She had the perfect record. On the other hand, Sheila, who sat next to Rebecca, was not at all good at spellings. Now we are reading about a story of two girls. One girl name was Rebecca, who was the best speller in the whole class and always got highest marks, so she had perfect record. But her friend Sheila was not good at spelling. Next paragraph. There was a test. The next day, Miss Daisy, their teacher, asked Sheila to practice writing the difficult words many times so that she could learn the spellings. However, Rebecca did not study for the test. She was quite confident about herself and knew that she was ready. According to this paragraph, one day there was a spelling test, so their teacher said to Sheila, "You to practice by writing the difficult words many times so that you can get good marks." But Rebecca, who was good speller and she had more confidence about herself, she did not prepare for test. Next paragraph. The test began. Miss Daisy said each word slowly and then repeated it. Everything was all right until she said, "Believe Rebecca had spelled the word wrongly." She looked at the word and thought, "This looks wrong. I know there should be another E, but where?" Her mind was totally blank. According to this paragraph, at test began, Rebecca confused to write the correct spelling of believe as she was not prepared for test. Next paragraph. Miss Daisy would soon call out the next word. Rebecca panicked. Suddenly she had an idea. She knew that Miss Daisy had made Sheila practice hard work for the test. She would know how to spell believe. The girls sat together. Rebecca's eyes went to Sheila's paper. There it was, spelled out in Sheila's neat handwriting. Having seen the spelling, Rebecca understood where she had gone wrong. Her eyes went quickly back to her own paper and she wrote believe. According to this paragraph, when their teacher was going to call out the next word, she became nervous. But at suddenly, one idea came in her mind. She knew about her friend Sheila can write a spelling of believe, so Rebecca cheated to write a spelling of believe from Sheila copy. Next paragraph. Rebecca had cheated. It was first time. She was tense and jumpy as Miss Daisy called out the last word for the test. Rebecca looked at her sheet and thought, "Is this the way I want to keep my perfect record? By cheating?" According to this paragraph, Rebecca wanted to be the best but not by cheating, because Rebecca never cheated and still got the highest marks in class for spellings. So that time she was upset. Next paragraph. Rebecca made a decision. She erased what she had written and replaced it with what she knew was the wrong spelling. She wrote believe again on the test paper. Last paragraph. As she passed the test to Miss Daisy, she gave her an imaginary pat on her shoulder. So, what if my perfect record for spelling is no longer perfect? At least my perfect record for honesty is. According to this paragraph, for this, Revika took a decision. She erased correct spelling of believe and wrote wrong spelling of believe as she knew. Revika did not write correct spelling of believe, still she passed. So she said to herself, so what if my record is not good for spelling? At least I have kept my record for my honesty. Now this chapter is completed. I hope you all understood. Thank you.